Hey guys, today's video, winter waterfalls. Let's go. First shot of the day here. Very cold this morning. It's about 10 degrees. And this is just a bit of a tree tunnel. There's some light spilling in the background here. Sun's starting to peek its way through. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Here we go. Boom! So I'm starting to get some sunlight back in here now. So I'm hoping here within like the next half an hour or so, sun's gonna be peeking in pretty good and I'm gonna have some color in here. So right now I'm just trying to capture some B-roll. I'm standing in the middle of the creek here and we're just gonna see what happens. Froze my glasses. So now I'm really at a disadvantage here. But we'll try to make it work. So off the beaten path a little bit, got a little bit away from the river. I'm up in the woods now. There's a lot of light spilling through from the sun in different locations. And there's this area right here that is just blue for whatever reason. Everywhere around it is like, you know, kind of warmed up except this one little spot, and all the light in there is still blue. So I'm gonna try to go in there and grab a shot. But I saw something really nice here, just with these two trees and this little bit of a path that leads in back to the river. And yeah, so I'm just kind of waiting to see if the sun peeks in here. There we go. Whoa, whoa. This could very be part of the video where I fall on my ass. Hey, guess what? All right, so just a quick little side shot here. And I'm sorry there's water all around me and it's a wide shot, and I'm sorry about that. There's just some like a nice thicket here. They're kind of drooping over the creek a little bit. I'm gonna just do one or two exposures here real quick. Interesting thing that just happened is my LCD panel on the back of the Fuji is no longer working. So I have to do it old school and put my eye up to the viewfinder. So here's the shot. Well, I don't know. We'll put it on the computer, see what happens. Next spot. Last location here of the day. We're just gonna hit some quick waterfalls on this part of the trail. I don't really have a plan for this area, but I've been in here a couple times before, so we're gonna see what happens. Coincidentally, this video was never gonna happen because my DJI Osmo just decided to randomly eject the SD card into the snow. But luckily I found it, and we're back to shooting. So here we go. So for this shot here, we have a lot of trees that are bending in from the snow. We have the river running up the one side of the frame to the waterfall in the background. It's kind of slick here and it's super treacherous, and I just want to be careful here. But if you like it, here's the shot. I just want to be a little closer up if possible. Try to be out a little more. All right, for this shot here, I have the waterfall in the bottom of the frame, and then it's kind of snaking up to the left and then to the right. It's clearing all these rocks. There's some icicles, and then there's some trees in the background that are lit really nice. Composition-wise, it's not super strong. I'm gonna try to raise the tripod up and get a little closer and see what else I can do. But that's kind of where we're at right now. All right, guys, that's the last shot of the day. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel. And just remember, you know, go out, have fun, spend some time in nature, take some good photos, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Oh, like and subscribe too. Thanks.